we have seen different functions in trigonometry. Functions like sine, cos, tan, cosec, which is the reciprocal of sine, sec, the reciprocal of cos, and cotangent, which is the reciprocal of tan. The formulae we learnt were with respect to a right triangle in which we had this angle theta. We learnt formulae for sine theta, cos theta, and the rest. In this triangle, theta can take any value between 0 and 90 degrees. But there are a few angles for which we need to know the value of these functions, like 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. We need to know the values of these functions for each of these 5 important angle measures. Does that mean we have to memorize 30 values? No, that's not possible, and I wouldn't even suggest that. In this video, we will understand a better way to remember all the values. As a matter of fact, in this video, we look at just these two angles, 30 degrees and 60 degrees. In the next video, we will look at 0, 45 and 90 degrees. Okay, so to know the values of all the functions for 30 and 60 degrees, we need to look at a special triangle, the 30, 60, 90 triangle. It means that the angles in the triangle are 30, 60 and 90 degrees. The triangle will look like this. This is 90 degrees. This angle is 30 degrees. This angle measures 60 degrees. Let's name the triangle ABC. What's so special about the 30, 60, 90 triangle? The three sides of this special triangle are in a specific ratio. The ratio is 1 is to root 3 is to 2. What does this mean? It means that if the side opposite the 30 degrees angle is 1 unit, then the side opposite the 60 degrees angle will be root 3 units. And the side opposite the right angle will be 2 units. BC is the side opposite the 30 degrees angle, AB is the side opposite the 60 degrees angle, and AC is the side opposite the right angle. So if length of side BC is A, then length of side AB will be root 3A. This is root 3 multiplied by A. A is not under the root. And AC will be 2A. The ratio is simple, but how do we remember which side corresponds to 1 and which one corresponds to root 3 and 2? The ratio is approximately 1 is to 1.732 is to 2. We know that the side opposite the larger angle in a triangle is larger than the side opposite the smaller angle. It means 2 has to correspond to 90 degrees, 1.732 has to correspond to 60 degrees, and 1 has to correspond to 30 degrees. Okay, so how will this help us with the values for all the functions of trigonometry? We see that next.